wanna be with you tonight. Girl, please, I'm a player, yeah, it's true. But I changed the game for you. I wanna see what it do. Can I be for real? This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. So let's dip up out of here. Ooh, you're just my type. Everything's so right. And I just wanna.
Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sydney, and if you're not, welcome back. Like, yo, my lashes look a mess, but I'm about to get my lashes done in a few minutes. Yo, they look so bad, but it's okay because I'm about to get them done and they're gonna look tea. Yo, I'm debating if I should get bottoms or not, but I don't think I want to this time. Like, I really don't feel like getting bottoms because they irritate me so much. So I don't think I'm gonna get bottoms, but today is March 15th, and it is 8:46, and my appointment is at 9:30. So yeah. Okay, y'all, my hair in the the brightness is too bright. Hold on now, y'all. Let me turn y'all down just a little. This hair is so cute, and the lashes is giving like it's all just coming together. It's cute. Let me turn this on. It is so tea, and I love it. So I'm gonna make a video. Y'all, this hair is so cute. My lashes is done. Let me go home. What am I doing? Okay, y'all, I'm back home, and my eye is kind of burning. Not kind of, it's really burning. And I already put eye drops in there, so I don't know why it's not working, but it's not working. I'm gonna recurl my hair later because the curls fell, and I'm gonna cut layers this time, and hopefully they stay. And I'm gonna spray it next time because this time I didn't. So, okay, hey y'all, so I just did my makeup. I don't really know how I like this. It's alright though. I didn't really do nothing. I just put a little bit here, there, and 1, 2, and then a little bit on my nose. And I did some, what's it, powder, baking powder, whatever, on my face. And I didn't do no lip combo, but I'm trying to debate on what lip combo I want to do because I want something cute. You know, I'm about to go. I'm about to head to the mall because I need to find a pair of pants to wear. Waiting for him. So I just need to go get me a pants before he comes. So he not waiting for me, cause yeah. But I need to clean my camera. Y'all, I made it to the mall, but y'all, I literally hate recording in the mall. Like, and I hate holding my camera because it's just so many. Like, the mall just have so many people. Like, just so much. And my hair is blowing. I'm gonna be like, this don't make no sense. Just people watching me talk to my camera. I'm a little embarrassed. Yeah, I'm in H&M now because they didn't have, hold on, I gotta fix my clothes. This is, you know, the little outfit, but they didn't have nothing in Forever 21, so I'm in H&M now. I'm trying to see if I can find a pair of pants. Y'all, this is hard. I should have got something like the other day, but I'm also gonna check Target if I don't find something in the mall. But I really hope I leave out the mall with something. I already wore a light pair of jeans on my Instagram, so I really like those. Yo, I don't know what to get. It's hard. I don't know. Yeah, these. Okay, I'm gonna try this 2 and the 6 on. Let's see which one I like. This is hard. Like, why did I think of getting something before this time? Oh, they got these jeans. These are cute. I just gotta see if they got my size. These are a size 2 as well. Okay, I'm gonna try those. Okay, y'all, these are the jeans. I'm just gonna get these. I don't think I should try these on, so. Good, I guess. $31.90.
For me, I can take a picture.
Thank you, you too. Let's see, this is the outfit. The shirt I'm gonna put on the screen. I got it from this girl's clothing brand or whatever. And I'm modeling for her. And this is, I wanted the black one, but she sold out, so had to get what I had to get. Okay, hey y'all, it's the next day, and y'all, I finally fixed the problem. Like, y'all know how this was broken from my tripod and it was all wobbly and stuff? Now we have a focused camera. No more wobbling. No more. It's gone. So, yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go out with my friend. I'm just wearing this because, you know, I really just, I was gonna put my outfit on, but I'm wearing that when I'm with, like, you know, I'm just gonna chill out. I'm not even gonna take pictures of it. But I just literally have shoes all on the floor because I was trying to pick out what shoes I'm gonna wear, and I wasn't gonna wear those. But those are staying out because I'm not getting them out my closet. My closet is a struggle. But I'll see y'all when she gets here. I don't know what we're doing. I think we're going to the mall. And yeah, my butt getting up there, so yeah, that's all I have to say. We matching. She did change her pants because she was trying to be slick and had the same pants on as me, but now she got different pants on. So, yeah, it's her cue to get out right now. Okay, y'all, I'm with Diamond. Y'all, this midget, bro, like,
I'm kidding.
okay, y'all, I'm with Diamond. Y'all, this midget, bro. Y'all, this lady was all up in our picture just looking. I'm about to show y'all. Let me open this picture real quick. Oh, she look a mess. Hold on. Like, who does stink face for? Oh, she right there. She right there. Diamond says she hoped this not too long for her, and she like 2'4". Y'all, she's literally a midget talking about some. Is this gonna be too long? She know it's gonna be OD long because it comes to the boobs. It's a jumper, bro. Hold it up, hold it up. Take it down. Oh, you can't reach, huh? You can't reach. Exactly. Exactly. Prime example. She can't even reach to get it. Bro, the thing just closes longer than her. Alright, y'all. We're leaving. Oh, we got this and that cinnamon, but it was big, and I don't think the middle was cooked because it tasted kind of funny. Alright, y'all, I'm back home. Diamond's on her way back home. Alright, y'all, I'm back home. Diamond's on her way back home. And, okay, y'all, so today is the day I'm really gonna take pictures and I'm gonna post on Instagram. So, we're gonna see how this goes. Outfit on. Here, Casey, show them. Outfit on. Here, Casey, show them. I'm serving everybody. iPad Live would look different. It would look different. I just know. Oh, you can take pictures right here. Okay. Where? But of me. No. We can do both. Like, why wasn't this our first one? Casey took my pictures. Y'all know this clothing brand's really, is that what I say? It's very affordable. The shirt's only like $60, y'all. That's affordable. Most people stuff be like $80. See, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna pray and hope that Casey took good pictures, because if she didn't, y'all, I'm smacking her. Real life. Why are you gonna smack me? You know I take good pictures. I take a lot of them. Casey take good pictures sometimes, but I know my iPad's gonna have so many pictures, so there's a man out here and he's like parked and he's like staring like in our face. I want to record him since he want to, like, do you want to be seen? Oh, hell no, he just waved. Yo, I got some great, really good pictures from Casey. Okay, hey y'all, so we officially have a camera lens now. Like, officially have a camera lens. I am so excited because there's no more close vlogs anymore. Say goodbye, because now we're in with the new era, and I'm gonna, you know, be more consistent. I said this last time, but I really have to get on it, because if I want to get somewhere, you can't get nowhere doing nothing. So I really gotta do my big one. But y'all, I'm about to curl my hair because it looks a mess and all my curls dropped. So I'm about to curl my hair and I'll get back to y'all. Okay y'all, so it's currently the next day. I was gonna record and re-curl my hair, but I really didn't feel like it, so my hair was literally in the bonnet all day yesterday. But it is currently 1:34 and we're gonna go to Dairy Queen's because they're doing free ice cream cones today. So we're gonna go get one because I did want to go get ice cream today. But then I saw the TikTok thing, it was like Dairy Queen's free ice cream cone. So it's like, I want one, let's go. So we're gonna go like 3 or something like that, like 2:30 or something. And yeah, I hope y'all liked my last vlog. That vlog was so long overdue, but I got it out for y'all, so that's all that really matters. And you know, that's really it. I'm in here, but like nobody's coming to take my order, so what's that about? Like, I'm confused. Okay y'all, so it's currently the next day and it is currently 12:32 and I have a house call to do my god sister's hair. So my hair is already prepped and my bag's packed, and y'all, we're about to get on this road and go. Y'all, she looks kind of far, but we're going, and I'll see y'all when I get there, when I start, something like that. This is the bag. We got all my stuff in here, and yeah, I got my Stanley Cup, and we're gonna be good for the day. We're gonna be great for the days. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only make me your matter. Make me your matter. Make me your matter. Show me something. Make me a blessing. Make me a blessing. Give me one break, I need there to believe you, there to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you. All white bricks, 50 more bricks, ballin' like a bitch, without
Y'all do this stuff. What do you do?
Done. I'm back home. I just got the shower, y'all. I am so tired. But I have to make a run to the... I went to a beauty supply store. They didn't have what I needed. So we're gonna try Walmart, and then we're gonna try we're gonna try Sally's and then Walmart. Hopefully Sally's has it. I'm pretty sure they will, but if they don't, we're gonna try Walmart. And if Walmart doesn't have it, I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna lie. But it's currently 5:26. Yeah, I'm just ready to get my hair done. Like, I don't even care about this hair no more. Just ready to get my hair done. Like, I don't care. All right, y'all. I made it to Sally's. Are they open? Hello. All right, y'all. We're in Walmart. Hopefully, I can find this. They don't have it. Yeah. No, that's... I don't know. Is this burgundy? Ruby red.
This is burgundy.
No, I want it to look like this color.
I know you do.
So, y'all, I think we're just gonna get this. How much is it? Oh, this is cheap. I definitely don't think it's gonna work. She just looked at me crazy. Okay, let's get this. Get 2 of them. Can you give me another one? Y'all, I'm scared. Hopefully this works. Black Girl sunscreen. Y'all, I'm spending overly too much money. Overly too much money. They don't have the Black Girl sunscreen in here, y'all. Or am I not looking hard enough? Where's it at? In Target? Well, we're gonna have to go to Target. So, let me find the Panoxyl for a second. Where would that be? Wanna buy it for me? Or something? They're registered, you don't hear it like me. Loud like ours. Oh, $90. Where's my... It's a hard not life, I'm telling you. I gotta go to the bank.
Put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you ain't lying, 'cause only the thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman.
Hey y'all, so my wig's supposed to be burgundy, but like it didn't really work out how I wanted it to work out, so we just going black, well, reddish, whatever. Like, can y'all see?
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Oh, girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed. Some of y'all just go pop shit. Some of y'all just go talk. But none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, yeah. Only want your love even silently. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. And I smile when none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. Chat. Should they fold that bitch no yoga mat? Chat. Should they dare that nigga don't hit me back? Chat. Should I read that nigga no questions asked? Chat. Chat. some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I gave you this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I need peace if it weren't for you.
Yeah, only want your love if it's sliding.
But if you fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it.
Gonna smile on these bitches.
That's the way I like it.
Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it.
I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. And that's the way I like it.
Gonna smile on these bitches.
That's the way I like it.
Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it.
I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to lose and lose, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place. I'm stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise. This must be what hell is like. There's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of the side of mind, intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not advertised. There's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn.
Yo, I did want the sun, but the sun's gone, so you can't really see the color in my hair, so it looks dark. It looks black, but we know it's not black. Okay, hey y'all, so it's currently the next day. I was gonna record and recurl my hair, but I really didn't feel like it, so my hair was literally in a bonnet all day yesterday. But it is currently 1:34, and we're gonna go to Dairy Queen's because they're doing free ice cream cones today. So we're gonna go get one because I did want to go get ice cream today. But then I saw the TikTok thing. It was like Dairy Queen's free ice cream cone. So it's like, I want one. Let's go. So we're gonna go like 3 or something like that. Like, yeah, I hope y'all liked my last vlog. That vlog was so long overdue, but I got it out for y'all, so that's all that really matters. And you know, that's really it.